Hey guys, welcome. We're gonna be making a cantaloupe peach smoothie this morning, and we have some of that strawberry sauce. Okay, so I've got a little over a cup of ice there. So you can do about a cup and a half of ice. So we're gonna add some frozen peaches. Let's do about 1 to 2 cups, however tangy you like it. The more peaches you add, the tangier it's gonna be. And then we've got a lovely sweet cantaloupe. That's about half a cantaloupe. And we'll do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And just enough water to blend it. Okay, grab our strawberry sauce. We'll take some of our strawberry sauce, drizzle that around the edge. We'll take our delicious peach cantaloupe base. Leave a tiny bit of room in there. We filled it pretty high, but let's see if we can add a little more strawberry sauce on top there. That's really good. Just like last time. This made a lot because we did half a cantaloupe, so I've got like 2 smoothies in here. I'll see if Michael wants any. And then we're gonna go out to Costco. I'll take you guys with us and we'll do a little grocery shopping. I just need to get more cucumber, more greens, and oh, more mint too. So I gotta go to Whole Foods because they have the bulk mint there. So it turns out to be cheaper than if I buy it at Sprouts. So we'll do that too. Okay, I'm having some apricots too. I'm just finishing off the last of what's in this container. These are really good, those sweet red apricots. They're sweet with just the right amount of tang to them. Hey guys, we're in Costco.
Gonna go in the fresh produce room?
Yeah, I'll come in here.
You got blueberries?
Ooh, we got cherries still. I'll finish those. Oh yeah, definitely strawberries. Look at that, $5.99. These look good. Cucumbers. These are my favorite ones to use in the smoothies. Always check them though when you're getting these. Look for the darker end and just check that because that's where they start going soft when they're when they've been around too long. Let's see, like right there. Let's try these. Check them. Okay, these look good. And then these. Okay, I think those are good. Yep. Okay, so I got 3 packs of those. Okay, we're gonna get some bananas. Those look good on the back side. Look at these apricots. These look good. $5.99. Yeah, I think we'll get some of these. Okay, so that's what our cart looks like so far. I'm getting another pack of these. Oh, that's the brand. I don't know if I showed you guys before. It's these produce containers for your refrigerator for storage. Those have worked out really good. And I filled them all up and I've been using them ever since we got them. They definitely make produce last longer. But anyway, yeah, definitely worth it. So I'm gonna get another pack of those. All right, hey guys, just got home from Costco. I'm gonna make a green smoothie since I didn't get to have one this morning. So I've got everything chopped up here and I was snacking on some strawberries because these are delicious. These are the ones we just got at Costco. Those are so sweet. Okay, Gonna do some flax and hemp seeds in this one, and okay, we're gonna do 1 cup of ice, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, and just to give an extra boost of our omega-3s, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of flax. And for our greens, we've got dandelion greens, ginger, just 1 slice of ginger because I don't want to make it too spicy. We've got some mint, celery, about just 1 cup of celery, and then a whole cucumber, one of those large cucumbers. All right, mint, dandelion greens, and just enough water to get it to blend. You know what? Let's add these too. I forgot I had some baby spinach and baby kale greens here too, so let's put handful of that in. All right. Okay, let's try this one. This one should be extra minty. It's good. Oh, you know what I could have added? Fennel. I forgot about that. Okay, well, next one we do, we'll have to do fennel and mint, because I think I like the combination of them. But they're both really good for your digestive system. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this and have some more strawberries, and I'll see you back for the next meal.
Alright, so what we're going to do is bake. These are going to be stuffed portobello mushrooms. First thing I'm going to do is take out the stem and cut out a little bit of interior there, so that there's going to be room for the stuffing. Let's scoop that out there. I'm going to set that aside. Inside of also the filling is going to be some of these oyster mushrooms and also some hearts of palm. A couple hearts of palms. Oh, there's a good one. Turn that process on. Do it. In there. God, that looks perfect. There we go. There's the filling. Now I've started the oven, preheated it at 375. I'm just going to put that stuffing in there. I'm going to go up to the top of the mushroom. Get that. Alright, I put on some parchment paper and I'm going to cook them up. There we are. I cooked it for about 15 minutes at 375, and Christine is just gonna have a plain one. Put a little garnish on there. Look at that, tee-hee. So I put some garnish on the side. I left it plain for Christine. I'm probably gonna put some aminos, liquid aminos, which is kind of like a soy sauce on mine. Give it a little flavor, but I already tasted the filling, and it's the palm hearts. These, yeah, hearts of palm. Are kind of tangy, so it gives it kind of a cheesy taste. It's really a good texture in there. Okay, first, just give your honest opinion.
Okay.
Cut it a little more.
Let me just, there we go.
I don't think it's too hot. Kind of tangy filling, you know, those hearts of palm.
Let's taste it.
Let me try. Would you make it again? What would you change?
I think we might need to cook the mushrooms for a little longer because these are extra big.
Oh. A little hotter too than
Yeah, thank you. Is there anything
that is
different
such a
that you
weird
would
taste. Yeah, I think next time I'll use the walnuts.
do? Hey guys, it's getting late, so the time was slipping away from me. I was trying to catch up on editing. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm a little low on my calories today, I'm gonna bump it up with another smoothie. But this time I'm gonna do a blueberry banana smoothie and probably bump up the calcium a little with some rhubarb and just play around with it. Oh, we'll throw in some chia seeds too. Okay, so I've got 1 cup of ice in here. I'm gonna do 2 frozen bananas. We're gonna do about 2 cups of frozen blueberries. Okay, we're gonna throw in some rhubarb, but this is very high in calcium. So if you need a calcium boost, it's really handy to have some of that around. I've had it fresh too. You can use that if you've got that, but these are just the little frozen bags from, what was that? Sprouts. Okay, I'm just doing half a cup of that because it does have a lot of tang to it, so that extra tartness. So I don't want to overdo it with that. I'm gonna try this again, the Nativa hemp protein. So this is only the second time I've tried it. The first time I could still kind of taste the grittiness a little in one of my green smoothies, but I'll give it another shot. So I'll put 3 tablespoons in. And this is just hemp protein. There's nothing else in it, so it's just pure. This is the chia seed gel. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of the gel, which is the equivalent of 1 tablespoon of dried chia seeds. Add enough water to blend it up. Let's try that. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, I can't taste the hemp protein this time, so that's good. So it's gonna be a little bit like I'm having a blueberry gelato, is kind of what it's like. It turned out super thick. All right, let me get my little jar here. What I would do is I would just make a little swirl with my blueberry ice cream there. And then we don't want to reach in the blueberry bag with a white sleeve, do we? We're going to grab some frozen blueberries and just top it off. We're going to take some coconut shreds. And they're like little sprinkles. All right, I'm gonna finish this. We'll see if we can make it to the gym this evening. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to eat without stuffing myself so much where we wouldn't be able to go to the gym and go work out. All right, hey guys, let's get into Chronometer for the summary. All right, we're on chronometer.com. This is the end of the day Chronometer summary. So there's all my food diary for today. The only things that didn't get on camera today was the Brazil nut, and I think the medjool dates, and I don't know if I showed the goji berries today or not, but I was snacking on those earlier. I made it to 1900 calories today, 99% of targets hit today. So looks like, what did we miss here? Sodium, we're at 95% for sodium, not a big deal. Lysine, 91%, and fat was 89%. Otherwise, everything else was hit. Okay, today I'm at 130% of protein. Hemp protein at the top of that list, goji berries, apricots, portobello mushrooms, cantaloupe, hemp seeds, banana, dandelion greens, chia seeds, peaches. Zinc, we're at 138% today. Let's see what that was. Hemp protein, hemp seeds, cantaloupe, portobello mushrooms, chia seed, cucumber, apricots, medjool dates, peaches, strawberries. How about iron? I'm at 175% today. Top of the list was hemp protein, and then goji berries, dandelion greens, chia seeds, peaches, strawberries, apricots, medjool dates, cantaloupe, cucumber. How about vitamin C today? We're at almost 1,000 milligrams for today. Let's see, that's peaches at the top of the list, strawberries, cantaloupe, dandelion greens, apricots, bananas, organic kale, and baby spinach, I think is that one. It's cut off there. Blueberries, cucumber, heart of palms. For vitamin D, I forgot, I haven't mentioned this. Vitamin D, I had to go onto a different website to calculate, your latitude, longitude, your geographical location to find out the sun, the strength of the sun, find out, how that translates to vitamin D. So that's what I did on that site. And then I was able to calculate that out, and I can now input it in here. So we should talk about this in a different video where I can explain it better, or I'll do a blog post on it or something. But sunlight exposure is what I have it listed under, and then here it's set at 15 minutes of sunlight in my location here in the desert, Tucson, Arizona. That came to, let's see, vitamin D, 1,015 units, which is 169%. We'll go over this another time, but Anyway, so that's where my vitamin D comes from, is sunlight. I do not take supplements because I live in a very sunny climate, which I love. It's one of the reasons why we picked it here, is because Michael and I love the warmth and sunshine. And let's see, should we check out one more? Oh yeah, and my B12. I always take my B12 every day. I do take a supplement for that. And that is up here. There we go, My Kind Organics B12 spray. So just in case, because I know I always forget to mention that and I forget to show it on camera because it's just like something I do automatic every morning, is take a sublingual B12 spray. And how about calcium? We're at 136% today. That's almost 1,000 milligrams. Let's see, dandelion greens at the top of the list there. Rhubarb, very high in calcium, both of those, dandelion greens and rhubarb. Chia seeds, goji berries also, medjool dates, celery, strawberries, cucumber, blueberries, cantaloupe. So that's all for today's summary, or tonight's summary. And I will see you bright and early for breakfast tomorrow morning. Bye guys.